Whether you're looking for banners, signs, flags, or vehicle wraps, Reliable Banner can custom make just about anything you need. Just listen to Nathan Wally of Reliable Banner.
What we do is we handle all kinds of banner materials and flag materials. We do a lot of digital printing, all types of different signs. We do a lot of graphics work for different customers. And as you can see behind me, we have a lot of equipment in-house, so we're able to handle jobs of just about any size, whether it's something very small or something pretty large. We do billboard size prints and finishing work. And we also have quite a bit of equipment that is in our next warehouse that I can show you here in just a second.
So you're a one-stop shopping center when it comes to banners, any kind of prints, or anything in that nature.
That's correct. We can design it for you, we can install it for you, and of course we can take care of it for you long term.
Here's an example of the vehicle wrap from Reliable Banner. Nathan, tell us what you're doing.
Right now we're just finishing up the back side of this van. What I'm doing is I'm taking out all of the bubbles. We meticulously go over it and make sure that it is 100% when we let it out of the shop. It's an amazing way to, like I said, advertise your business or just make your vehicle look good. This one is actually a personal vehicle, so there's not any business marketing on it. We're just making it look really cool.
Reliable Banner also has a large selection of sign supplies and materials.
We definitely have quite a bit of stock on hand. For the most part, we can fill just about any order that you would need in a pretty short amount of time.
Gee whiz, Nathan, this is huge. What are we looking at?
Well, we have here a 64-inch solvent printer, and basically this will print on any kind of banner or sticky-back vinyl material. It uses a solvent-based ink, so it's more or less the same as paint once it goes on. It's got a 5-year outdoor durability rating, but we do everything on this machine from photo enlargements to billboards to magnetic signs to just about anything that you can imagine, anything that needs to get printed.
Nathan, when it comes to expense of a particular piece of print like this, is it within reason for our customers?
Oh, of course it is. Most materials we charge between $6 and $8 a square foot, and that's a pretty good rate, especially when you go and calculate that out.
This device is computer controlled and does precision cutting of any artwork.
So the cutter has a laser eye on it, goes in there and reads all 4 of the crop marks on all 4 of the prints, and then it knows where to cut everything. So right now it's going and reading all of the marks, and once it's found all 4 of them, it's going to come back and actually cut it all out for us. And then we're going to send it out to the customer, and they're going to be able to line it up to the ride with these marks here, and automate things easy for them.
Reliable Banner does all the work in-house, saving you time and money.
Well, here's where we do all of the finishing work on any of the banners and flags that we have. We have industrial strength sewing machines that we use. They do a double stitch so that we're able to finish the edges. We can sew in webbing. We can do any kind of pole pockets, or we can do wind slits if you need them. We also sew mesh banner material so that if there's high wind areas, which we are in, they're able to hold up a little bit better. Right back here we have our grommet machine. This puts all of the holes with the metal in the corners so that it's a high wind resistance, makes it easier to hang them all. And then back this direction we actually have our heat seaming machine, which creates a permanent bond between the banner materials in case we need to make something that's a little bit larger than what we're able to print. We can do a 64-inch seamless print, basically on a 50-yard roll, but with this machine we're able to increase that by however many pieces we can put together.
It's not heat-seeking, it's heat-seaming.
That's correct.
Nathan, tell us about perforated vinyl.
Well, that's this product that we're looking at right here, and it's a great way to cover up your windows and serve a number of purposes. We can digitally print directly onto it with our solvent printer, so we can do any kind of photograph or lettering that you might like. We have 2 different types of media. One of them will protect 70% of the light coming in, and another will do 50%, depending on the amount of clarity that you'd like to have in your print. But the advantage of that is that it lowers the amount of sunlight that comes in, and then it also has another effect that you can see out while you can't see in, so that helps to add a measure of privacy as well.
Nathan, who uses this service?
You know, just about anybody that wants to get any kind of a quality sign. Any business you're in, whether you're going into business or you're going out of business, you're going to need a sign. And that's something that we have done really well at satisfying our customers, everything from hotel clientele to real estate to just the individual startup company. We can handle everything from logo design to making 100 signs for you in a short amount of time.
Call Reliable Banner 658-5451. That's 658-5451. Or visit their website, rbprints.com.